Hey guys, Kyle here with Dash Trucks, back again for another walk around video. If you like what we see, go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that bell. That way you can stay up to date with all of our inventory. Today we have with us a 2020 Ford Transit 350 high roof cargo van with utility shelving, stock number 39927. We have a GVWR rating of 10,360 pounds. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. We'll just drop in on our tires here, show you the quality we have here at Dash Trucks. Take note that all of our undercarriages utilize a special coating that prevents rust, also just gives it that clean aesthetic look as well. Now we'll go ahead and pop into the interior, see what we're working with. As we zoom in on the dash, we're offering this vehicle at 101,869 miles. Over here, it looks like we got our standard lighting. This vehicle also comes with cruise control as well as power locks and windows. Now we'll move on over to the center console here. We have an AM/FM radio with Bluetooth capabilities. Also has a rear backup camera as well. Then we have a USB port and a 12-volt auxiliary. Below we have our trailer release with some storage. Take special note, we detail all of our vehicles, as you can see with this clean leather interior. Then up above we have additional storage space. As we make our way around to the back, we'll go ahead and look at our dualies just before we pop open the rear interior. Take note that this vehicle has a wheelbase of 148 inches, a cargo length of 12 feet 5 inches, and then the cargo height interior measurements are 6 feet and 10 inches. I'll just go ahead and open her up so you can see what's inside. Take note that the rear opening dimensions are 5 feet 2 inches in width and 6 feet 3 inches in height. This van does come with cargo shelving, and the width of the shelving is an even 3 feet. Now as we continue our 360 walk around, we'll go ahead and open up these side doors and take another look at our dualies. Another quick peek at that interior from this side, then followed by another look at the front. Just another quick angle of our front interior. Also, I forgot to mention earlier that above the front dash, there's an additional USB and auxiliary port as well. One last look at our tires, and then we'll go start her up. Here we have our Ford 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 engine. This vehicle also comes with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Take note that all of our vehicles here at Dash Trucks are always fully serviced as well as fully detailed. This vehicle sounds and runs amazing. Big shout out to our mechanics here. All their phenomenal hard work that they do. Also note that this vehicle is pushing 310 horsepower and 400 foot-pounds of torque. And that'll wrap up our engine segment. And there you have our 2020 Ford Transit 350 high roof cargo van with utility shelving, stock number 39927. If you have any other questions, be sure to give us a call or text. We have an amazing sales team that answers after hours if needed. Be sure to check out the links to our website and visit our channel here as well for a full inventory of what we have to offer. You can also get details on the warranty that we include. Just another way we like to provide quality to all of our customers. That'll wrap up our video. Take care and see you guys next time here at Dash Trucks.